Yes, I caught a bird. Look at the beak on him. I was just working on the machine up there. I heard a thump. And the bird hit the window. Like, not even the main window, the freaking, like, the black part where it didn't even look like a window. It pretty well just flew into the side of the machine and landed right beside me. I just picked it up. Pretty funny. You're probably gonna fly away now, hey? You feeling okay? No, you're still a little stressed, eh? Huh? You hurt your leg? Yeah? Here, you can just sit right here. There you go. Here, you can get better right there. Alright? Spend all the time you want there. You got all day. Okay. Talk to you later. Pretty cool little bird. You got a neat beak on you there. Alright. Rest up.